sun beats down out of the big southern sky. Long hot summer days are making me crazy, getting me mad, and that's why I need me some money to buy an air conditioner. You know I can't get by with just an electric fan. I need me some money to buy an air conditioner. You know I just can't get by with an electric fan. 'Cause if this weather gets much hotter, ooh, well, I'm gonna be frying just like a pork chop in the pan. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Well, now that's the way the saying goes. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Yes, now that's the way the saying goes. Listen, when my whole damn house is as hot as the kitchen, ooh, well, tell me where the hell am I supposed to go? Oh, let's get some blues now. Good air conditioner. Yeah, and now everything is really alright. I finally got me a good air conditioner. Yes, now and everything is really alright. It keeps our house so cool and mellow, yeah, every day and every night.